Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today we are going to do bakery style coconut bun. For this, first we are going to activate the yeast. Take 1 tablespoon of yeast. To this add 1 tablespoon of sugar and quarter cup of warm water. The yeast will take around 10 to 15 minutes to get activated, so we have to wait. At that time, let us take an egg and beat it. Beat the egg well and set aside. Next we are moving on to the dry ingredients. Take 2 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour. To this add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and quarter teaspoon of salt. Give a nice mix. That's all, the dry ingredients are over. Next we are going to mix all the wet ingredients. Take 50 grams of butter and the beaten egg. Take out around 1 tablespoon of beaten egg for the egg wash. Now mix these two well. By this time our yeast would have got activated. The yeast is perfect. We are going to mix this yeast into the butter and egg mix. To this add 3 tablespoons of milk and mix everything together. This is ready. Now let us start adding the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Add little by little and knead it into a soft dough. If you found the dough to be sticky, you can add 1 or 2 spoons of extra flour. Now this is non-sticky. Dust some flour on a surface. We are going to knead this properly for at least 10 minutes. Kneading is over. Next we are going to cover this with a cling. Now let us wait for an hour for the dough to rise. Set this aside, let this rise. By the time, let us prepare the filling. Take 1 cup of coconut. To this add half a cup of tutti frutti, quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything well. Our filling is ready. Next we move on and check the dough. The dough has raised. It has doubled in size. Now we can take it out. Don't knead this too much, you have to punch out the air bubbles. Now let us divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Take one part and we have to roll it thick. Roll it thick and you should not put pressure. You have to roll it very lightly. This is ready. Now we can transfer this into a cake tin. This is a greased cake tin and I have also used butter paper. Now spread the dough properly. Now top it with the coconut mix. Make sure you are not filling the edges, and we are going to take the other half of the dough now, and again we are going to roll it thick. Again roll it thick. This is ready. Let us transfer this into the cake tin. We are going to cover the coconut filling with this dough. Cover it completely and seal the edges. Cover this and we are going to give 30 minutes time for second raising. The dough has raised. We can give an egg wash. By the time, preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and we are going to cook this bun for 25 to 30 minutes at the same temperature. Our bun is perfectly cooked. We can take it out, and we are going to take it out of the tin only after it gets cooled down. This bun will be very soft and will taste so good. Do try this at home. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.